Hey, guys! Do you struggle to start your day off on the right foot? Do you hit snooze a million times before finally dragging yourself out of bed? If so, you're not alone. But, there's good news. By creating a successful morning routine, you can set yourself up for a productive and fulfilling day. In this video, we'll go over 5 simple steps to help you create a morning routine that works for you. Step 1. Get enough sleep. The first step to a successful morning routine is getting enough sleep. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. To make sure you get a good night's rest, create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and create a comfortable sleep environment. Step 2. Wake up at the same time every day. Consistency is key when it comes to a successful morning routine. Try to wake up at the same time every day, even on the weekends. This will help regulate your body's natural sleep cycle and make it easier to wake up feeling rested. Step 3. Drink a glass of water. As soon as you wake up, drink a glass of water. This will help rehydrate your body after a long night's sleep and kickstart your metabolism. Step 4. Exercise or do something active. Exercise is a great way to energize your body and mind in the morning. If you're not a morning person, try starting with something low-key like stretching or a short walk. As you get more comfortable with your morning routine, you can add in more intense workouts. Step 5. Plan your day. Before you start your day, take a few minutes to plan out your schedule. Write down any appointments or tasks you need to complete, and prioritize them in order of importance. This will help you stay organized and focused throughout the day. By following these 5 steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful morning routine that sets you up for a productive and fulfilling day. Remember, it takes time to develop a routine, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't come naturally at first. Keep at it, and soon you'll be waking up feeling rested and ready to tackle the day.